Alright, today we're doing cold start on the Civic Si, and it snowed out. Oh, what the heck, the garbage can? Oh, okay, disconnect the battery tender, put that right there to chill. Alright. Ooh, it's cold. Alright, let's do bottom click. Okay. Ooh, my thing for Christmas. Christmas! Oh, it's cold. Cold start, 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah. She started. Alright, remote start. Let her sit for 15 minutes. Okay. We'll save the car for the garbage cans now. And I don't know if I need to carry this with me. It's got Bluetooth, but I don't know. So we're going to test out the audio on this guy or on my headset now, see what comes the best. Oh, yeah. Garbage cans touching my car. But yeah, this is more distant walking. Okay. Of course, you're touching my car. Wind. Okay. Whew. Okay. Oh, it's cold. It is cold. It is cold. Do a little shoveling later. Okay. Oh, it's cold. I should have wore a coat. Oh, there's that one. Oh. Alright, one more. Alright. Okay, that's good. That's real good. Alright. Yep, we're still recording audio. Good. Alright, now I'm going to see how well the wax did. See if it just blows snow right off the cars. Alright. Cue in some music, because this is probably going to be loud.
You No snow stuck on the waxy cars. Cool. Alright. This guy's still idling. Good. Woo. Alright, well, that'll be it. This is basically just a test to see if the, we don't need the light on anymore. See if this audio on the phone works out better. And yeah, we'll see. Peace.